Just a quick cheat for you. I can show you what to do when you run out of these clip things here. Just a minute, there's a chunk going on. I'm going to pause it. Don't get done for copyright. Right, get a piece of cable, normal household cable, cut it around the edge. I slice it down there as well. And then take the enough. And then you should have that there. My camera skills are quite rubbish. Right, obviously I've done a line here to put the cable in. The cable's not in, it's loose. That one's pushing back, so when I plaster over that, the wire don't get in the way. But I've run out of these. They're electric cable clips. So, bit of cable, nice nail. What you do is, if you look in the wall here, for where the brick is and the cement, you want to go for the cement because it's the easiest bit. If I do that across there, and then, let's say, cut it about there. Hopefully, that'll fit in the hole without protruding into the cement. The plaster. 1 or 2. Right, so stick cement's there, that there, that there. So put the nail in through there. Probably a small nail does it, so it looks like that. Stick the wire in where you want it. Stick the nail into your hole. Whoops. Pardon the pun. Tap her in. To the cement. Because there's no doubt the plaster's pretty rubbish. So basically, I'll use a chisel at the end of the nail. There we go. Send her on! She's gone. She's good. Plaster over that now. I'll load that in. Job's a good one.